Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience: the Nuwave 3-piece 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch forged lightweight frying pan set. We've been putting these pans through their paces, and I'm excited to share the full rundown. Let's start with the construction. Nuwave boasts premium forged construction, and that's not just marketing jargon. Forging creates pans that are incredibly strong and durable, yet surprisingly lightweight. This is a crucial balance for any home cook, making them easy to maneuver whether you're flipping pancakes or serving a family meal. They truly feel like a blend of art and engineering, designed to perform exceptionally well, no matter your skill level. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the coating. This set features their healthy Duralon Blue ceramic ultra non-stick coating. What sets this apart is its eco-friendly nature. It's an all-natural ceramic coating that is completely free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Furthermore, Nuwave claims it doesn't emit toxic gases at higher temperatures, which is a significant peace of mind factor for many of us concerned about the health implications of our cookware. This Duralon Blue coating is their Generation 10, or G10, ceramic. They've been refining this for over a decade, and it shows. This G10 Duralon Blue is exceptional. It heats up remarkably fast and distributes heat with incredible evenness. Food release is effortless, and based on our testing, it's proving to be extraordinarily durable. Speaking of durability, let's get technical. The Duralon Blue boasts a hardness rating of 9H. For context, Diamond is rated at 10H, so that puts this coating into an incredibly strong category. This translates to high resistance against abrasion, corrosion, and acids. This means you can expect your pans not to chip, not to discolor over time, and most importantly, to retain their fantastic non-stick properties for much longer. One of the more intriguing features is the Duralon Blue's ability to promote infrared radiant heat. Nuwave states it can generate up to 92% more far-infrared radiant heat. This type of heat penetrates food from both the inside and outside simultaneously. The result is food that stays wonderfully moist and develops incredible flavor. We've observed this effect, especially with meats and vegetables, where they cook through beautifully without drying out. Heat distribution is another area where these pans shine. Each frying pan is bonded with an anti-warp stainless steel plate on the bottom, making them induction ready. This bonding process ensures fast, even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, which is critical for preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent results. They also offer superior heat retention at any temperature. Versatility is key in any kitchen, and these pans deliver. They are safe for use on all cooktops, including electric and gas stoves. But the flexibility doesn't stop there. They are also oven-safe up to a staggering 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows for a seamless transition from stovetop searing to oven finishing, opening up a whole new range of culinary possibilities. Let's not forget about the handles. Nuwave has paid close attention to ergonomics with their Stay Cool stainless steel handles. They are designed to be comfortable to grip, anti-fatigue, and lightweight yet sturdy. Crucially, they incorporate a built-in heat diffuser, which helps to keep the grips reasonably cooler for longer during cooking, enhancing safety and comfort. Finally, cleanup is a dream. The ultra non-stick Duralon Blue ceramic coating provides superior food release. We found that foods just slide off the surface, making post-meal cleanup incredibly easy. It stands up to daily use without any trouble. So, to summarize the pros. The forged construction offers a great balance of durability and lightness. The Duralon Blue G10 coating is a significant advantage, being healthy, truly non-stick, and extremely durable. With excellent scratch and abrasion resistance. The infrared radiant heat feature contributes to superior flavor and moisture in food. Even heat distribution is excellent, and they work on all cooktops, including induction. The oven-safe capability up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit adds significant versatility. The ergonomic handles are comfortable and stay cooler, and cleanup is an absolute breeze. Now for the cons. While the pans are lightweight for their construction, some might find the 8-inch pan a bit small for certain tasks. The Duralon Blue coating, while very durable, still requires sensible care to maximize its lifespan, meaning avoiding metal utensils is still advisable. And while the handles are designed to stay cooler, using oven mitts for extended oven use is always a good safety practice. In conclusion, the Nuwave 3-piece forged lightweight frying pan set is a standout option for anyone seeking high-performance, healthy, and versatile cookware. The combination of premium forged construction, the advanced Duralon Blue ceramic coating, and thoughtful design elements like the infrared heat promotion and ergonomic handles make this a truly compelling set for both beginner and experienced cooks. They offer excellent value and deliver on their promises of durability, performance, and ease of use. Link in the description.